everyone, and welcome to Arizona Midday. I'm your host, Destry. Today on the show, we are giving away one last amazing staycation for summer. We also have easy breakfast when you're on the go and sweet treats when you're done, plus homework help and free tickets to the movies, all coming up. But first, everyone, we are starting off in the kitchen with those easy breakfast ideas when you're on the go, whether you're going to school or heading out to work. Chef Mario from US Egg has help for us today. Good to see ya.
Hey, good to see you too. Thanks for having US Egg.
I love all your ideas because they are really simple. The first one you can make in just seconds.
You can time me, 15 seconds.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
I'm just putting in some granola. We make this fresh at the restaurant, so just some granola, some yogurt on top of that. So we're making a yogurt parfait here.
And it's so good for kids.
Yeah, and I like to put the blueberries right on top just to make sure they're getting the blueberries and all the antioxidants and everything beneficial from the blueberries. Bam.
Bam. There you go. All right. That is breakfast number one. Now, if you want something to take a little bit more time, this is something you can pre-make.
Well, it depends on what you want to do. You can make this the night before completely, or you can prep it for the next morning. So I'm going to show you how to prep it for the next morning.
I love it. Let's do it.
All I got in here is some hash browns, and you're literally just dumping this
And those
stuff
are
in here.
raw?
Yeah, they're just raw hash browns. I'm putting in some onions on top of that, green peppers.
What I love about this is you can make it to your liking, right?
You
the kids don't like peppers, forget it.
This is kind of like a classic Denver, but with tomatoes. So honey cured ham on top of the onions, green peppers, and tomatoes.
Yeah,
and then you
want on top.
Yeah, you want to make like some nests here with these eggs here. So if you're going to just get it ready for the next morning, this is pretty much where you'd stop and you'd put a lid over it and get it in the fridge. Or you could just, once you get these things in here, you could just,
So you made little holes, and that's where the egg is going to go.
That's where the egg is going to go if you wanted to fully prepare it the night before. So all you'd have to do is heat it up the next morning.
How long do you have to bake this?
350 degrees for about 25. You got to keep your eye at 25.
Okay.
Take 30.
Okay.
Okay, so 25 to 30 minutes. Then an important thing as well is that you want to make sure that when you put the cheese on there, I'm putting on a combination of Jack and cheddar, that you don't want to put it on top of the eggs.
Okay, so you're putting it in between.
You gotta tiptoe through the through the eggs there and just put it all around the sides.
And then, like you said, 25-30 minutes, you're done. And this is what you're going to end up with. This one has bacon. I love the avocados on top,
that's actually the exact same one as this one. I just threw some avocado on top there. So that's the same one that I'm...
How great is that?
When I make this, my son, Mario, smiles from ear to ear. He loves this skillet.
Well, I love how easy it is,
Absolutely.
That's the best part. And you guys also, of course, have, if you want to just go out to breakfast, you have plenty of options, including, you guys are really known for these protein pancakes.
Yeah, we have so many options, it'll make your head spin. I mean, we've got a full vegan menu now. I've got a vegan waffle over here.
A vegan waffle, all right.
We've got you covered. Our protein pancakes that you were talking about.
Those protein pancakes are so delicious.
Absolutely.
They're so giant.
Don't forget our soups. Don't forget about lunch, US Egg. I've got a soup here with the club sandwich. That's our veggie soup over there.
Oh, yeah. The soup is steaming over here.
Don't forget about our soups. They're called breakfast and lunch. We're not just a breakfast.
Everyone knows me. I love my soup, so that's good.
French toast, gluten-free. We've got you covered as well. We've got the biggest gluten-free menu in the state for breakfast and lunch. Come down and see us for any gluten-free needs.
That's great.
And on the end, we've got our BLT there. So
with sweet potato fries.
Absolutely, and then the granola right next to that we make at the restaurant that you can come down and get. That's what we put in our pancakes over here. And we've got coffee as well for you. What else could a guy ask for?
I know. I really love it. And you guys have been in the Valley for a long time. Tell us about your story.
Sure. Well, it's a family-owned and operated business. It's my 3 brothers and my dad and I. We're coming up on our 34-year anniversary. We've been doing this since we were little kids. You go down to any one of our restaurants, you'll find me or myself. You'll find myself or one of my brothers or my dad, just in our element, doing what we do best, taking care of our guests.
Do you have a favorite on the menu?
Pancakes.
Protein pancakes.
Soup
I love it too. And soup.
Soups are awesome. I'm telling you, all the guests that go down to our Greenway store know I always recommend our soups.
All right.
Tuna melt for lunch.
There you go.
Tuna, come down for
plenty to choose from, and you can find one near you, everyone, by going to usegrestaurant.com. All right, up next on Arizona